Right, welcome to the second episode of the vlog, Rather Be Ripping. Today we're gonna go meet up with my buddy Forrest and Ryan, go skate. And after that, we're gonna go to my buddy Gabe's, who's having a Halloween party tonight. And got a bunch of shit to skate over there. Quarter pipe rails, probably light them on fire. Should be pretty fun. Let's go. Yo.
My eyes beheld an eerie sight, for my monster from its slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It got all in a flash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east, to the master bedroom where the vampires feast. The ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the monster mash.
Wow!
It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They did the monster mash.
Stop these for a meal. Grab all day on the CV. When a big old warrior. Little campgrounds full of chairs. Beat Doritos to the bears. Honey, quick like Polaroid. When a bag of water. Grab the soldier way. When a bag of water. Create the fire. Kill some fish down by the creek, hang their picture by the sink. Tell your grandson who's off. Tie your dope notes to the front. U-Haul trailer for the souvenirs. And she buy along the way.